get out the track.
Thomas could see Jack was being careless. He hoped to get into trouble. But Jack did get into trouble. He backed into a stack of roofing slate and smashed it into tiny pieces. Left my bucket. He looked around.
Oh, you're getting off your track, Bubba.
Not even his operator. Jack knew he had been naughty. But he didn't want to get sent back to the yard. So he filled his bucket full of gravel.
Fix your track.
And drove away. Ned didn't see the broken slate and rolled right over. Ned, cried his operator, you've knocked over the slate. I didn't do it, protested Ned. It wasn't me. But there was nothing Ned could do. It was an accident. His operator would have to call Miss Jenny. It's not fair. It's not fair, grumbled Ned. Alfie pulled up just as Jack saw Ned driving slowly away. Where's Ned going? Asked Jack. He knocked over some roofing slate, said Alfie. Thomas is taking him back to the yard. Jack knew it was all his fault. What should he do? Alfie could see Jack was upset. What's wrong? He asked. But Jack didn't answer. He raced off without a word. Wait, Jack shouted. Wait! Miss Jenny, Ned didn't break the slate. I did. And Jack told her what he had done. Miss Jenny was rough. It was brave of you to own up, she said. But what am I to do with you?